So what should you do if you forgot your Cash App pin? Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll show you how you can reset your Cash App's forgotten pin. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to reset your Cash App's forgotten pin, what you have to do is just go ahead and launch the Cash App on your device. And then you want to make sure to just tap on the profile icon from the top right hand side of your home screen. Once you tap on the profile icon on the next page, you'll see all these options where you have to go to the one that says privacy and security, which you see right over here. Once you tap on privacy and security, at the very bottom you'll find another option called change cash pin, right? So you want to go ahead and then tap on that option respectively. As you tap on change cash pin, it'll ask you to enter your old pin, but we don't remember our old pin. So what we need to do is from the bottom you'll find this little button that says help. You just want to make sure to tap on the help option. When you tap on the help option here, you have to select the option called I forgot my cash pin. In this case, you can see, so just go ahead and select I forgot my cash pin. It will ask you to verify the code that was sent to your either email address or the phone number that was associated with your account. Once you go ahead and verify those, just tap on next and confirm the code, and then once you've done that, just confirm the last 4 digits of your social security number as well. So go ahead and do that respectively, and as you do that, you simply have to enter the new cash pin that you want to use, and then you can reset your pin in that way. And that's all it takes to reset your Cash App pin if you happen to forget it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.